Hi everybody and welcome to tonytwebs. In this tutorial we will create a local host using Xampp, Xampp. We can use Xampp to test our own websites instead of using the client servers. The reason to do this is because we don't want to touch the client's server without finishing our work. We create this local host, we develop this website and we test it for any bugs or functionality problems. Once we are finishing the test with the testing, we can transfer the files to the client server, and that way there can be a smooth transition. That's the reason we create this local host. It's an excellent tool for web development. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and let's begin. Okay, we begin by downloading the Xampp. You just go to this website right here. You just type Xampp on your Xampp, and you will, the first site you will see, click. Let's go to this first site that you see, Xampp installers and download for Apache friends. Depending on your operating system, Windows, Linux, OS X. I choose this one because I'm using Windows 10, so I download this one. I already downloaded it. That's the first step. The next one is you have to go to WordPress.org and just go to Google, type WordPress download, and this is what you see, the first site that you see. Click on it and download it. It's the very first site that you see when you Google WordPress. You see all that? Sorry. So you click on this one right here, download WordPress 4.7.3. Click on it. Of course, I already downloaded it too, and save it. Those are the two programs that you need in order to create a local host. Okay, now that we have Xampp and WordPress, we go ahead and install Xampp. Xampp is sorry. Should be right here on downloads. If you use Google Chrome, just go to downloads, show in folder, and it should be right here, Xampp. Go ahead and install it. There you go. Hit OK. I don't think I will use Perl. We go ahead and install it. Okay, it's now installing. We wait for the installation. You see my SQL and PHP. Oh, Perl, that's an older language. It's another language compared to PHP. Perl was before PHP. We're almost done. Windows Firewall has blocked some features for this app. Allow Apache HTTP networks, relationally Humber network. Okay, we're done installing Xampp. Click on Finish. English. They have a Spanish version. See, English and German version. Okay, now as you can see, we're done installing Xampp. We hit Start. Click Start on Apache. Click Start on my SQL. Allow access. As you can see, it is running now, so we are done finished installing Xampp and it's working properly. Okay, now that we have installed Xampp and it's running, as you can see, Apache and MySQL are showing activity. Now we go ahead and install. We go to the next step and we install WordPress. So we go to this. We go to Downloads. Show folder. You see this. This is the icon of WordPress. So we right click it. We use the program called 7-zip to unzip files, extract files. And you're gonna choose where. You're gonna go to Xampp. Oops. We're looking for Xampp. Oh, here it is. Then you're gonna pick htdocs. Hit OK. hit OK, and extract the files. Okay, we are done installing extracting the WordPress files into htdocs. Going to this PC, to htdocs. As you can see, all the files are here. And we're done with this part of the process. Now that we have installed Xampp and WordPress, we go to Google, we go to Chrome, and we're gonna type on the search bar, we're gonna type localhost. Now you should see this page, localhost dashboard. Then go to my PHP admin. This is my PHP admin. Next thing you're gonna do is to go to databases and create a database. We're gonna name it WordPress. WordPress. And create. Okay. Okay, now we have created our own database, which is called WordPress. Now that we're done with that, next step is to go to Xampp. We go to Xampp. We go to Xampp. Then we go to htdocs. Click on htdocs. We go to the WordPress folder. And then we go to the index.php file. Oh no, my bad. It's not index.php. It is this one, wp config sample php. We want to use Notepad to open up this file. Okay. Now we see the file. Here's where we see the database, the MySQL database information, and we can modify it. Now what we're going to do is to modify this file. We're gonna configure this part, the name of the database name, and we'll remove this one from here, and we will add the name that we added to our database, which is this one, WordPress. We add WordPress. Okay. Now we're gonna change the username. The username, and in this one we're gonna type root. That's what we do. We add root, and on the database password, because I don't want to have a password, I'm gonna delete this one, and I'm gonna leave it empty. Okay. Now we're going to save this file. And instead we're gonna delete we're gonna delete the name, and instead we're gonna give it a different name. We're gonna exchange the sample. We're gonna take it out of here, and now the new name is gonna be just wp config. wp config.php. Save. That's it. Here's all the files. Now we go to the Chrome, which we're already here, and we type instead of going to localhost dashboard, we type WordPress. There you go. That's the WordPress program, software, English. Continue. Now it's asking us for some information. Site title, tonytwebs. tonytwebs test. tonytwebs test. Username empty. Okay, now we begin by installing WordPress. speak English first. Just going to ask for information. Okay, tonytwebs test. Test around. Username will be tonytwebs. Password will be email tonytwebs@outlook.com. Install WordPress. Remember, and that's it. Save. Now we are using the dashboard. We're on the local WordPress site when we can build our own website, and without touching the client's server, we can develop the website on our own local server, which is our own computer, and we can debug it. Any malfunctions you might have, we can change it over here before we touch the client's server, resulting in a much smoother operation. And you can tweak it and change the site to your liking and add any plugins, any functionality, and present it to the clients before they decide if they wanna take your work. So yeah, it's a useful tool. I'm glad you watched this tutorial. I hope it helped you a lot, and I will be posting more work during this week, because I will begin building websites for different companies around Dallas, Texas. So don't forget to visit my site tonytwebs, and take care. Thank you for watching.